Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate Shopify with Go High Level. This powerful combination allows you to centralize customer data, automate marketing efforts, and streamline your e-commerce operations. We will cover the entire process, from initial setup to advanced automation, ensuring you maximize efficiency. By connecting these platforms, you can enhance customer engagement and drive significant sales growth, creating a more cohesive business ecosystem. To begin, you will need to generate API keys from your Shopify store's admin panel. Access the Apps and Sales Channels section, then select Develop Apps to create new API credentials. Once you have these keys, log into your Go High Level account. Navigate to the Settings and then Integrations area. Here, you will find the option to connect Shopify, where you will input your API key and password to establish the initial link. With your accounts connected, the next step is to configure data synchronization. You can set up Go High Level to automatically pull customer information, order details, and product data from Shopify. This enables you to create powerful automations, such as sending follow-up emails for abandoned carts or welcome sequences for new customers. Leverage Go High Level's workflow builder to design intricate campaigns that respond to various actions within your Shopify store, enhancing customer journeys. After setting up your integration and automations, it is crucial to perform comprehensive testing. Place a few test orders in Shopify to ensure customer data and order information are correctly transferred to Go High Level. Verify that all your automated workflows trigger as expected. Continuously monitor the integration's performance and make adjustments as needed. Regular review and optimization will ensure your Shopify and Go High Level integration operates smoothly and efficiently, delivering maximum value to your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.